everyone! Welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. Today, I'm going to be reviewing Scratch 3. Alright, let's get started. Scratch 3. Scratch 3. I like it. I think it's a really good update. I think it's a lot better than Scratch 2. There are a few problems though, such as the enormous size of the blocks. These blocks are they're too thick. I really like the new audio effects. You can make some really interesting sounds by screwing around with them. I transformed the meow sound into this. I also turned some music into this. Another problem I have is there are some buttons that are missing. Where did these buttons go? I liked my stamp button, my grow button, my shrink button, and my remove button. I don't see why they were removed. If the idea of Scratch 3 was making it even easier than it already was, why get rid of these buttons? Why make you have to right-click? I don't understand why they're gone, and I'll miss them. Another thing I don't get is why they added this makey blocks, because you don't need them. You can just use the keyboard events block down here to use any of the clicks and things, or in sensing, there's also when this key is pressed. So I don't get why you have the same block again, but green, and it says makey. You don't need it. That's just a keyboard block with a different name. As I said in my other video about Scratch, the stage is on the right, and I really like that, because the stage being on the left is just counterintuitive, and the stage on the right makes more sense, and it was there in Scratch 1, and I like that much better. Another thing that bothers me is that they changed the desktop icon. In the original Scratch, the desktop icon looked like this. In Scratch 2, the desktop icon looked like this. But in Scratch 3, it looks like this? What happened? I would have liked having my 3 scratch heads all lined up down there, but now I only have 2 and a weird looking block. Well, overall, I like Scratch 3. I think it's a lot better than Scratch 2, which isn't better than Scratch 1. So Scratch 3 is a good update, and Scratch 2 wasn't. I'm very happy with Scratch 3. Now this is completely off topic, but did you see the lunar eclipse 2 weeks ago? That was awesome! Also, my other video on Scratch has become my first video to reach 1,000 views, so thank you to everyone who watched that video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and buy my merch, which I just updated last week. Also, leave a comment, because this is a really hard channel type to do, because I have to think of something new every week. I could do something easier, like theme park history.
Hello, my name is Devin Lurger, and this is Broken Downland. For more information/context, visit brokendownland.com. Alright, now let's talk about my favorite Disneyland ride, Superstar Limo. Superstar Limo opened in 19...
But I don't. I do this. So leave a comment suggesting something for me to do. It'd be really helpful. And remember to empty your pockets.